21. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Sing it with us, everybody. Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap those hands.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
You sing.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
And today is Monday, April 26, 2021. My hands are in my lap. My listening ears are on. Let's take a look at our pattern. Remember, we have clouds and flowers. So let's start right here with this cloud right here on the 17th.
Friends.
There we go. We ready?
There's 3 to 1.
Work on the pattern. Hold on, here we go. Cloud, cloud, flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower, flower. Whoops. Cloud, cloud. That's right. All right. Oh, what is this? How did I even grab that? And then push the button. All right. What kind of weather do we have outside today? It is sunny. All right. And say the alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? So what we're going to start doing is, instead of singing it, we're going to say our alphabet, because we're in the 4th marking period. So when we say our alphabet, we say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wonderful. All right, now let's count to 15 together. Here we go. Touch your head. Touch your nose.
Brant Ashton, you need to listen.
Touch your ears. Touch your chin. Let's say that. Let's count to 15 together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very nice. Counting backwards from 8. Let's start it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
look at some colors, starting with our friends in daycare. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started now with our letter. This week is the letter C, and it is a magic C. Magic C is important because it makes all kinds of other letters. So our magic C says k, 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 like these things. What are these right here? Cookies. Cookies start with the letter C. Does anybody know who this guy is? Carl. Carl is from the movie Up. Let's see that. Yeah, I love that movie. Gotta share. Oh, look, it says video unavailable. I wonder why. We just watched it with our other group. Sorry, it's not working. Let's see.